Good morning, friends. Here I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the, you can say, company which has not giving any returns since last 5 to 6 years. Maybe you can say 10 years, but last 1 year company is giving very ultimate return. Okay, so you can say in 15 May 2020 the stock price was 94. Now right now the stock price is 1200. So how much last 1 year a very sharp upshoot in the price. So you can see here the companies here. What is the company name? Tips Industries Limited. Tips Industries engaged in the music, audio, video and film production and distribution. Okay, so let's see the website of the company. So you can say this Tips Industries basically featured lot of videos, audios, musics, also part in the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, so lot of things you can check on the Tips Industries. Film, you can see Boot Police, catalog, music, Hindi, Punjabi, Telugu, Marathi. You can see all these music, Bhakti Prem, lot of things you can check in the tips. Let's check the more fundamentally. Tips Industries is engaged in the music like audio, video, film production, distribution. Okay, market cap is 1580, current price is 1218. Okay, high price you can see 1508, low price is 203, stock P 30, book value 78, dividend is 0.16, return on capital employed 64.5, return on equity 47.8, face value 10. Ultimate score very good sign. Ultimate score is 117, number of equity 1.3, very low equity. Growth factor 5, Piotrowski 7, Solid 0.8. Solid 0.8 means company's equity capital is reduced, very good sign. Price power 0.06, asset power 13.12, asset is 13 times of their debt. Very ultimate balance sheet, ultimate company. Okay, so this is the call overall chart of the company. What is the pros? Companies have reduced debt. Company is almost debt free. Company expected to give good quarter. Company has delivered good profit growth 70.32. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout 25%. Stock is trading at 15 times of its book value. This is the only one small negative thing. Okay, now check here what company is doing. Company is doing same business by G, Sun, PBR, Saregama, Hathway. Okay, now you can see the sales of the company. So you can say in 2018 the sales percentage was 23%, but after this particular lockdown, company is giving 40, 30, 49, 88% increase in the sales. Very good sign. 15 crore was in 2018 September. Now it is showing June is 28 crore. Very good sign. Companies having now increasing their margin exponentially. In 2018 the approximate 7% margin, now it is 66% margin. Okay, so now you can see the other income, company increasing their other income also. Interest, there has been no interest at all. Okay, profit before tax, earlier 1 crore profit, now it is 20 to 19 crore profit, exponential growth in 3 to 4 years. Net profit, company was having 0 net profit, now it is seeing 15-18 crore net profit. Very good sign. Companies because of this high demand of videos and online things, people are using a lot mobiles and big TVs, is increasing this particular use of Tips Industries. Sales you can see now, earlier companies having 84 crore sale in 2010, now it is showing 91 crore, 203 crore in 2019. Now also TTM is 104 crore, very good sign. Companies giving a sales growth 30%, 8%, 90%. After a negative return, companies giving 327% return, 327% of growth of the sales, very good sign. You can see here company's operating profit was 17%, now it is showing 61, 63%, very good. Other income is also improving from 1 crore to 5 to 18 crore. Interest, companies paying no interest at all, debt free company. Profit before tax is 10 crore to 70 crore, 59 crore. Net profit also improves from 8 crore to 43 crore, very good sign. You can compounded growth says 6%, compound profit growth 70%, CAGR 83%, return on equity is 17%. Very one of the positive signs, sir. One of the positive signs. Company's equity capital was 17.31. Now it is just 12.79. What a company here. Reducing their equity capital. Very good sign. Reserve 68 crore. Now 88 crore. Slow improvement in the reserve. Okay, that's why the company was giving a flat return since last 5 to 10 years. But last year to this year, company is giving exponential growth. Now you can see here the company's investment is nothing. Other asset you can just check here. Cash is 33 crore cash, trade 15, advance loan 63. Very good. Total is 148 crore asset. Cash flow, maintaining good cash flow by the company. Sundry debtors is also flat. Cash conversion improved. Working capital is also basically negative. Return on capital employed 18 to 65. Very good sign. What about the promoter? Promoter increasing their stakes 74.82. Okay, now 75.35. Now 74.98. Very good. FII, slowly FII also increasing their particular stake in this company. Okay. Public is also still holding an intact 24. Who is the public? You can see like IGA, Avdesh, okay, Sudeep. Lot of people are holding. This is the recent announcement. This is the financial. And hope this video helped you to understand the quality of the company. Tips Industries. Always check with your advisor before buying any stock. Thank you. Have a